Hi there and welcome to Hyundai Power Products. My name's Adrian and today we're going to show you this new product. So this is the HYW 4000 DE2 diesel powered pressure washer. This machine, as you can see, has a 456cc single cylinder air-cooled diesel engine, really robust job, and a genuine Italian AR pump. It's built for work, this thing. Really sturdy frame, good wheels, good kit, good hose, good lance, everything's good about it. Let's show it you in action. I've connected the water up, I've put oil in the engine, I've got fuel in the tank. Just a quick tip, before we start the engine, we'll purge the air out of the system. I'll pull the trigger on the lance till it stops spitting and chirping, and I know that I've got all the air out of the system and it's just water, which is a good thing because it's water cooled. So, turn the governor on, there we are. That's also the way we stop it. Release that knob and it'll switch off. So while holding the trigger to let the water flow through, I can start the engine. So I switched the machine off on the governor, and what is important is to relieve any pressure in the system before we try and disconnect all the fittings to store it. Well, I do hope you found this demonstration useful. It's a really great machine. For more information on this or any of our other products, visit www.hyundaipowerproducts.co.uk. I've been Adrian, thanks for watching.